And we have some interesting Burstner Playa 500. Let's have a look on what it offers. It's called the Playa C500 and it's an auto sleeper with a price of 71,000 euros. And these are the complete specs. And entering inside, we have a double sitting area here and another seat right there with a two burner stove right up there, and there is actual freezer down there. This is Renault Trafic chassis. We have also the pop-up roof for additional two sleeping areas. And going outside, checking also on the back side of this have additional storage, and actually these seats can fall down for an additional bed. And checking out, this is actual storage with the gas bottle, and you have a water fill up unit and actually hook up for your douche. Nicely looking small auto sleeper.